All right, so in an earlier video, we showed how to embed a YouTube video. Now we're going to show you how to embed you, a video of you, or an audio of you. So it's really easy. I'm logged into my Sandbox class. I'm logged in as a teacher. I'm going to click on the sprocket, turn editing on, and let's continue editing this lesson about dogs. I'm going to, I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit that setting for this video, for this page. All right. Now let's say I want to insert a video of me introducing this lesson. So I might put watch my introduction. And I want a video of me introducing this lesson right here. Moodle makes it unbelievably easy with my cursor wherever I want the video to be. And then I'm going to use this button right here. This is the insert video button. So I'm going to click it. And when I press this, it's going to start recording my introduction to this lesson. All right, and here is the video introduction for this lesson. Then I press stop recording. And if I want to preview it, I can preview it by playing this, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to click attach recording. And it's got to do its process of thinking, and as it's completing its little process, it automatically inserts the video right here. I can save and return to course. I can click on that page, and there is my introduction. All right, and here is the video introduction for this lesson. Now, all right, yeah, go away. Okay, I can also insert audio. If I don't like the idea of a video, I can insert audio. So I can instead, let me put listen to my introduction. And essentially we could do the same thing. We can, with my cursor where I want it to be, but this time I'm going to press the microphone button. And this is going to record just my voice. All right, here is the introduction to this lesson. And then I just attach the recording. And when I hit save and return to course and click on the page, here's the audio file. All right, here is the introduction to this lesson. And that wraps up inserting your own video and your own audio into a lesson page.